Hello everyone and welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to do conditional rendering in React. And basically what I mean by that is if a user on your website clicks a button or does some type of action, then a different type of component will render on the screen. So that's exactly what I'll be demonstrating today is when you click a button, a certain component will render. And we'll probably be doing this with using useState. And that's a hook in React if you don't know what that is. But anyways, I'm here in a REPL and this is where I'm going to be doing it. So I just have a blank React app right now, but right now what we're going to do is we're just going to set a div in here. And we'll type, we're going to have two buttons. We're going to do hello, show hello world. And then we'll do another button. And this one will be show my name is Eddie. Okay, so we go back here and we can clearly see we have our two buttons. And then I'm going to do another div here. And this is where our different rendering component is going to show. So let me just put test here to see if this works. Yep, so we have test down here. Let me just make this actually, yeah. We'll just do a H1 here. Okay. So this is where we're gonna render our component, but we first need to make the two different components that we're gonna render. So I'm gonna say, create a new file called hello world.jsx. And then wow, this automatically did that for me, which is nice, but wow, that was really weird. But anyways, so this is our React components that's going to show hello world. And then my name is .jsx, and we'll do export const my name is, and then we'll just return an H1 that says my name is Eddie. And actually we're gonna have this hello world one return an H1 as well. Okay. So now if I were to import these into this app component here, import hello world from hello, import my name is my name. Okay, so if I were to import these two down here, and the way we do this is with curly brackets in React. So we'll do hello, whoops, hello world, and then my name is. We should see both of these components. So yes, we do. We see my name is, and then we see hello world. So we don't want both of these to show at the same time, actually. So what we're going to do is import something called useState, which is a hook in React. Oops. useState from React. And we're going to set a state here. We're going to do const is hello world, set is hello world. And we're going to have this default as false. So it's not going to be shown. When the user first goes on this page, it won't be shown, the hello world. And we're going to do the same thing for this. We're going to do is my name is. It's a little confusing. And we're going to have this one be false as well. Right? And so neither of these will show when the user first goes on the page. But we want that to change when this button gets clicked. So if show hello world is clicked, then we want hello world to show. if show my name is Eddie is clicked, then we want show my name is Eddie to click, or to be shown. And we'll do this as a toggle for both of them. So we could have them show at the same time, or we could have them show separately. So we'll create a function that's called handle hello world. And all we're going to do is say, we'll set is hello world to the opposite value that it's currently set to. So false, then it would be set to true, and vice versa. So opposite of what it's already set to. And we're going to do the same exact thing for my name is. So const, we'll say handle my name is, and we'll do set my name is, and we're going to do the same thing, the opposite of what the value currently is at. Okay, and I'll show you how this works. We'll actually console log the value. We'll do it for hello world. So on here, on this button, we're going to do an on click, and it's going to equal handle hello world. So now when I go to console, I don't know if you guys can see this. There we go. When I go to console, get rid of all these errors, and I click show hello world, it's going to change the value, as you can see. So that's how that works. But originally setting it to false, of course. And so we're going to do on click for this one, the function we made for this button, which is handle my name is. And so now we just want these to show or not show, which right now they're both shown. So we have these down here, and what we want to do is basically say if the hello world value is true, then show this component. And we just simply do that by going is hello world and then the double and sign here. And then we'll do the same for this one. Is my name is. So you can see that I can no longer see these components. Why? Because the initial state of these are false. So now if I click show hello world, we can see hello world's down here, right? But we don't see my name is. Now I click show my name is Eddie. Now we have my name is Eddie. And we can toggle these too. So now these values will go back to false when I click them both, and they're no longer there. And then we can toggle them back, and so on. So this can be really useful for rendering different components depending on actions that your user do. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. It's pretty simple to do. And let me know if you would want any more React videos. I love React personally. But yeah, thanks for watching.